Welcome to Easy Learning Path.
Let's learn shapes and colors together. Fun starts now. Are you ready? Yay! I am yellow color triangle. Look at me. I have 3 sides and 3 corners. Cool. Drawing time. Let's draw now.
Yay!
Hello, I am the square. Look at me. I have 4 sides and 4 corners. Can you say hi to the square?
Hi, square. Square drawing time. Let's draw now.
I am a circle. I am round, round, round. Spin with me.
Round and round. Woohoo!
Drawing time. Let's draw a circle.
Wow, wow, wow.
Hey, I am the red heart. I am bright and lovely. Let's say hello.
Hi, heart.
Lovely heart drawing time.
Yay!
Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning. Bye bye.